Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on Datspush to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, guys, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to choose the best converting offers that you can find to promote in Datspush and make money not slowly but very fast. Datspush is actually a push notification advertising network. Once you have actually signed in into the dashboard of Datspush, this is how it looks like. You might be wondering at this question, hey, why this guy is actually talking about offer and why this guy is actually talking about ad networks. Offers should be related to affiliate networks, right? You're right, I won't say that you're wrong. So to understand this, you need to understand the whole process on how it works when you want to go ahead and create a campaign. So the first thing first, usually the first step would be choosing the offer. So once you actually choose the offer, the second step would be creating your landing page. So the third step would be integrating your external tracker, whatever external tracker that you have, Binom, volume, or whatsoever. You got to integrate them into your landing page. That's the third step. And the fourth and the final step is for you to go ahead and create your ads. And this is where you go ahead and create your creatives and all this kind of stuff. Why we are in the ad network is because this ad network can actually go ahead and help us to identify one of the best offers to be promoted. And how they do that, they do that with a particular features few ad networks have. I'm not saying that all the ad networks has these features. Some of the ad networks won't have any features to help you identify any offers, but now we are talking especially about the Datspush, and Datspush do have a feature to help you to identify an offer, and that feature is over in the dashboard over here, which is called the bits. So if you click on this particular section, you will be led to this particular section where there's a lot of countries name over here, and then there's price. What is the traffic price in this country usually? What is the average bid price for the country? What is the maximum CTR rate for this country? So there's this is the details that they actually provide over here. And you might be asking me this question as well. What we are going to do with this? We are going to select a country which has a good volume as well as its traffic is cheap. I mean, basically that's what we want to do, right? We want to pay for cheap traffic and earn big money. Pay $10 and earn $1,000, not pay $900 and earn $1,000. We don't want to do that. We want to pay $10 and earn $1,000. To do that, you need to identify cheap traffic. And when you talk about cheap traffic, the way traffic is actually categorized is according to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So countries are actually categorized in this tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, guys. So there's a way how you can identify tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Basically, tier 1, let's just make it very simple, guys. If the whole country has the access to Wi-Fi, and that is considered as tier 1 country. If the majority of the country has access to Wi-Fi, that is considered as tier 2 country. If the majority of the country does not have access to Wi-Fi, that is considered as tier 3 country. So basically simple as that. But this is actually a very bad way to actually classify it, but this is the most simple way. If I go on into the tiering, there's a lot of stuff to talk about the tiering, but I don't want to waste time over there. So tier 1 countries usually have the most expensive traffic. Tier 2 country has the second, the moderate one, and the tier 3 country has the cheapest amount of traffic. So if you actually go ahead over here and sort it by price, you can actually see the cheapest traffics are from the tier 3 countries. Venezuela, I have no idea this country. So this is Paraguay, right? Paraguay. So most of the tier 3 countries, oh sorry, this is Paraguay. So over here you can actually see Australia and all these countries are here, and the cheap traffics are usually from the tier 3 countries. So let's go ahead and choose a cheap traffic country. I'm going to show you how you can actually use this particular detail in choosing your offer later on. So let's just go for Venezuela, for example. So Venezuela has the cheapest traffic in the whole dashboard history. So Venezuela with 0.0009, that is like super dirt cheap, guys. So in case we cannot find any offers for Venezuela, then perhaps we can go for Kenya. This is Kenya. Kenya also has a very cheap traffic, as you can see over here, 0.0018. So let's go and choose our offer now. To do this, we have to go back to our affiliate network, and for the purpose of this video, we are choosing the affiliate network Mobidia. We are working with them. Why we are working with them for the purpose of this video is because Mobidia has a reputation, guys. It is a high reputation. It's considered as one of the best CPA affiliate network out there. And why it's very important is because nowadays there's a lot of scam affiliate network out there, and especially if you're a beginner affiliate marketer just joining the industry, you get into the industry, you get stuck with a scam affiliate network, it will demotivate you crazily. There's a high probability you will just leave the industry because of these scam networks. That is why you have to choose a very proper, highly reputable affiliate networks, and Mobidia is one of the most highly reputable affiliate network out there. But that's not the only reason, guys. There's a little bit feature that Mobidia has which we want to take a look, and we want to optimize. For that, you can actually go ahead and choose our best offer, guys. That feature is actually called the offer directory. If you click on this particular feature, you would be led to this particular page. And in this page, you can actually see there is actually a lot of offers over here, right? And these offers are not common offers. These offers are not the simple offers, guys. These offers are the top converting offers within Mobidia itself, which means somebody is actually running this offer, or somebody have actually run this offer and made a lot of money, not a little bit money, but a lot of money, and it was working for them. And this is actually a converting offer. So it simply means that this offer can be a converting offer for you as well. If it's worked from somebody else, there's a high possibility that it would work for you as well. So that's how simple it is. Why do you want to go ahead, choose an affiliate network, and then choose a new offer, test that offer in the market, the offer does not work, then you come back, choose another offer? It's a very big roundabout. Just use something which is already been using, which is already been working. Don't reinvent the wheel, just ride with the wheel which has already been invented. So once you have come here, you can actually filter it according to many things, but for the purpose of this video, we are only going to filter it for geo purposes. So countries, we're going to go on what country was we checking just now? Either it's going to be Venezuela or it's going to be Kenya. So let's check out whether we can find Venezuela or not, or Kenya. Wow, that's sad. Venezuela, come on Venezuela, come on Kenya, come on Venezuela. That's sad, guys. Don't tell me there's no offers from Kenya and Venezuela at all. Kenya is actually on top, guys. So that's why, because Kenya has a very high reputation when it comes to push notifications, so they are very popular. So hit Kenya, hit apply, and you can see all the offer which is running in Kenya, all adult offer and both mainstream offers as well. So there's a lot of details for these particular offers. You can actually see what type of pricing models they are using, what flow they are using, and all this kind of stuff would be available within this particular page. And for example, let's just choose an offer. For example, this one looks nice. It's a mobile game offer. It's an SMS billing pin opt-in. So you want to know more about this offer, you can actually go ahead and click on this offer. So when you click on this offer, what actually happens is you are being led to this particular page where you will learn more about this offer. What is the offer payout? What is the flow of the offer? What is the platform the offer is allowed in? The country, the model is does the offer has daily cap? So they do have daily cap. Offer only accept traffic from Android alone. So these are the details that you want. So once you have done that, check out more details. What's the allowed traffic? Push notification is allowed. allowed, check the screenshot, check the banners, check everything that you can, and if you're satisfied, hit the apply now button. Once you hit the apply now button, you're going to choose the traffic that you are actually going to promote this offer. For example, we are going to use push notification, so hit push notification. And then if you're using a landing page, which I would highly recommend you to do, so if you're using a landing page, hit this button and paste your landing page here, because your landing page would be sent for the verification process as well. So once you paste it, if you don't have a landing page, just cancel it and then hit the agree button over here and hit the apply button. So once you have actually hit the apply button, what will happen is your application would be sent to the advertising manager or the affiliate manager, where they will actually review, and if everything is good, and you will be off to go and run this offer. Simple as that. But this might take a little bit time, and if you're in rush, you want to run this offer immediately or very fast, all you can do is you can go ahead and approach the advertising manager. You can actually say, hey, this is the offer ID that I'm actually applying for, 22887. Please approve this offer. Or you can even go to the live chat over here and tell them the same thing, and they will do their best, since you are approaching them, not they approaching you. So this is how you actually go ahead and choose the best offer to promote with Datspush using the Mobidia affiliate network to make money very, very fast, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. That's about it in today's video, and I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.